Hey. What you watching? Pool sucks. Oh, right. A Grizzly situation is on. Oh, Grizzly. Always procrastinating on your homework. Wait. Just 2 million equals 1 more. Where'd you get that one? Walmart. Duh. So stupid. Get back to the game. There's nothing that'll keep me from watching this pool game. Sorry to disappoint, but we're watching a Grizzly situation. Pool. Grizzly. Pool. Grizzly. Pool. Whoops. What happened? I think I hit the off button. Well, maybe this will help. No me siento diferente. No, solo puedo hablar en español. You can't speak English. Eres una patata. It's not cool, man. You can read the subtitles. How dare you make me speak Spanish? Ugh. Why do I feel so dizzy? Ha! That's a good look for you! That's it. You're done. Come at me, bro! What are you looking for in this? Well, I don't even find this button. There. Now I can see clearly. Good, let's get back to the fight.
You guys are so ridiculous and look like little monkeys sitting there fighting over a dang remote. Why does it act like civilized people where we just sit down on the couch and decide, hey, this is what we're gonna watch? But no, you guys have to roll around like dumb little sumo wrestlers trying to find the remote and find the TV station that neither of you two can agree on. Why are you even in here together? What?
Finally, she's quiet. Why does she always chew us out? I don't know, but this will take care of her. So, we cool? Yeah, we cool. Awesome. Now let's find a channel we both like.